When scientists linked the organoids in sequence and then chemically prodded one, the organoid at the opposite end of the chain responded, indicating the structure had formed a sensory pathway that could detect stimuli and share information. What? That's a great. When you poke it, it responded on the other side. That had to have been some type of, yeah, indicating the structures had formed a sensory pathway to that prod. That is incredible. So that it has to be sensing that some way. That is unbelievable. So then the question is, did that assembly of those organoids actually feel that pain of that prick? It had to have felt it as an ability, right? They had to know that it was pricked. Whether or not it felt pain, I guess, is a separate thing, right? That's amazing. That is a really cool thing. Or like a Nidarian. Well, I mean, so what you're talking about is like the an anemone or something where you prick it and then it goes, whether or not they felt pain in that moment. I think that's the question, right? Debate Duck. That's a really interesting point. The finding raised the question of whether or not the assembloids felt pain. They did react to the tongue scorching chemical that gives chili powder its kick. But Poskin notes that two pathways are necessary to feel pain, one that detects the harmful stimuli, and a second that induces the unpleasant sensation. Ah, that's a really good point.